The world of education is becoming more and more competitive, and it is natural for the students to seek guidance on career options. Frequently, many of my students, their parents, my friends, my knowns ask me about the different career options. Now, these career options for those who speak well, for those who has commerce, for those who has commerce without maths, commerce with maths, some careers for the student who has taken up science but doesn't want to go for engineering, careers for those who has taken science but doesn't want to pursue science further. There are careers for those who has taken up humanities, like n number of questions, and I have been answering them one on one. But with the passage of time, I realized that this is not a problem of one student. This is a common problem that most of the students are facing. This is a problem that everybody is facing. There have been students who come and say, my father wants me to be an engineer, but I want to do content writing. Now there is a mismatch. Please guide me. So this reminds me of a song when I was like child. There used to be a program on television, Kya Banoge Munna? And the title song was like, क्या बनोगे मुन्ना, मम्मी कहती बनो डॉक्टर, पापा कहते इंजीनियर, आईएएस बन जाओ भैया, बहना कहती है अक्सर, क्या बनोगे मुन्ना. Truly, this is the issue. Now for next few weeks, we plan to talk only about those things, क्या बनोगे मुन्ना. But whatever career options you had, whatever career or courses you pursue, one career that I always promote and I advocate is entrepreneurship. So, to start with this career options, today I will talk about careers in entrepreneurship. Hi everybody, this is Dr. Akshita, Bahuguna, and as an entrepreneur, I have been talking about education and entrepreneurship. Education in entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship for educators. Certain things that have been guiding me since many years, and now I'm only talking about these things. But to reach any place, even to be an entrepreneur, it is always advisable, and this is my belief, that your struggle lessons if you are educated. If you have studied it, you learn more, and if you have studied, you have more connections. There are many things that education gives us. It is not only about the degree that we get, but the friends that we get, the knowledge that we get, the skills that we get, which we can use maybe directly or indirectly. And that is why entrepreneurs need to be educated. And even if you have taken maths, non-maths, you have taken commerce, humanities, or science, whatever subject you have taken, the beauty of entrepreneurship is anybody can pursue entrepreneurship, and that is the beauty, because entrepreneurship is not dependent upon the subject streams or the courses. It is dependent upon the innovations, the creativity, the way you see the world, your perspective, the way you calculate the things, measuring the things. If you can measure it, you can achieve it. Entrepreneurship is simply dependent on this. People say it is a risky thing. I say it is dependent on probabilities. Yes, probability was a difficult subject in class 12, I know. But still, it is dependent upon probabilities. How you can calculate the probability. You must have seen in the Shark Tanks. They have pen and paper and they do certain calculations. They are strong in maths. They are not strong in maths. They are strong in measuring the operations of the business. It is not about the skills that you have. It is about how you manage those skills. In entrepreneurship, it is more about managing skills, talent, people, operations. That is business. And that is something you need to learn to be an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is one of the most sought after careers in India, not only because it has high level of independence and freedom, not only it makes you your own boss, it not only because it is something that creates a positive impact in the society, but because there is a technical problem. The population is so much. So in this big population, the demand of things is continuously changing and evolving. And with this evolution, at times even the consumers doesn't know what they want. And the biggest pain is they don't know what they don't know. An entrepreneur sees that as an opportunity to take it to the people. And there he finds an opportunity to open his own business. And that is why I say entrepreneurship as a career option is the best option that is available for anybody. You can run your business, you can start your business, you can employ the people along, you can work on it. But there is a caution. Entrepreneurship is not the only option. It is the best option, but it is not for all. If you find your skills, your attitude, your knowledge, your perfection aligned in a way for a job, please feel free to do a job. We need people for the job as well, but entrepreneurship is something that is there for a free-spirited person, and if you are one of the free-spirited person, opt for entrepreneurship. Remember, it is not an easy journey. There will be challenges, setbacks along the way, and that is why it is crucial to have a solid understanding of what it takes to be an entrepreneur and resourceful. So if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to get that understanding of entrepreneurship, watch my videos, keep watching my videos. And if you are in class 12th or you are somebody who is lost about the career options, the next few weeks are dedicated to you. You can watch the videos, continue watching them and find your niche area, your area of work for the life. Hope the information would help you to pursue your careers in entrepreneurship and help you to make a bright career for yourself. Best wishes to all of you. And if you want to continue having more knowledge about the careers, keep watching, subscribing and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families and fellows. Thank you.